Model, 66-plate Mitsubishi L200 2.4 DI four-wheel drive, Barbarian double-cab noisy engine ULEZ. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 137,575. MOT, the 8th of December 2024. Engine, 2442 cc 4N15178. Transmission. Mechanical summary, starts and runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, parking sensors, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.